Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm live in my garage for this one because we're going to be doing some installation of some accessories for my Tesla Model Y. I think a lot of times when you look at accessories, it can be real intimidating on if you can actually do them yourself or if you've got to pay hundreds of dollars for somebody to actually do it. So in this video, we're going to go over the installation of two accessories that I purchased for my Model Y and see if it's something I think that is easy enough that any normal DIYer could do. So the first thing that I purchased was this rear wing spoiler. I got mine in a shiny carbon fiber because I like that one. I kind of wanted to match. My M8 has carbon all around as well. So I want to do that for the Model Y as well. So we've got that. As you can see, it's got the 3M tape along here. So that should make it really easy to actually install. So we'll see once we get to that. The second accessory that I picked up that I'm looking to install is going to be the, again, carbon fiber camera covers for the side of the vehicle. I thought these looked pretty cool. And again, I'm going to be changing everything to carbon as far as the accessories for the exterior. So this was a good pickup for me. I'll link both of these in the description so that if you want to pick them up, you can do so as well. But we'll go over them and let's just see how easy it will be to install them. So let's get right into it. All right, so here we again have our spoiler. We've got our red tape, as you can see. So that is what we will be peeling off so that we can actually install it. Now, if you look at the edge of the actual Model Y, you can see it kind of literally, it's like plug and play. Like it fits on there perfectly. So I think that's gonna be super easy actually to do this install. So let's hope it works out this easy. The first thing we're going to do is clean the area that the actual red tape is going to be on to make sure it's has the best adhesive properties as well. And once we do that, I'm going to just double check the lining up to make sure I know the position that it should be before I actually take the red tape off and then push it down. And then after that, that literally should be it. So let's get going. So here again, like I said, I'm just kind of cleaning it with a soft cloth, getting anything off that could be on there, that could be in the way. Once I've got that done, I just want to double check again where my fit is gonna be. And again, like I said, it feels like it just slides right onto place. And then it's just a matter of lining it up. Yeah, like I think this is the fit. I just want to take a look at it and see what it kind of looks like. Make sure it looks even on both sides to the eye. And it does look even. So I think that it adds a lot of character to it for real. So I definitely like that. So far so good. So it came with this adhesive helper. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that over where it's gonna go, and then we'll take the red tape off, and then we will go ahead and slowly install it. So let's go ahead and use this stuff that it came with over where the red tape will be on. Definitely want to make sure you get those edges where the wing will be coming off of the side almost of it, so that those are stuck down so it doesn't appear that they're coming off. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's go ahead and take off our red tape. Slowly. Always hate this because it's hard to grab on the edge, but that was actually pretty easy. Let's get this off. Now some people may like to take it off a little at a time, and you can do that. I'm choosing just to take all of mine off at once because I'm trusting where it will be at. Another good idea that you can do if you're not trusting your measurements is to maybe just take a piece of painter's tape and put it on each edge of where it should go and use that. However, I've tested it like 3 or 4 times off camera, so I think I've got it as far as where it should be going. So I think we're good. That looks good. I definitely like the way this came out. Yeah. Again, pressure on the sides, but I think it came out good. You really just have to watch that corner, the edge. So now that we've got the spoiler settled into place, let's move on to the side mirror carbon caps. I feel like this should be pretty easy. Again, self-explanatory. So it literally covers this. The only thing I want to make sure, obviously, is that there's no impeding the camera, which, looking at it here, it does not appear to be. So we're just gonna take it right off and stick it on. It's got 2 pieces of the 3M tape, so we'll just get rid of those. Let's see, that one's kind of getting stuck. All right, so we'll go ahead and line this up with the turn signal in the camera. Again, you want to apply some pressure, make sure you got it in there and you're hitting on all of the parts with the sticky tape so that it does grab the actual equipment and you cut down the risk of it falling off in the middle of the street. All right, that looks perfect. Perfect. Not impeding my camera at all. Yeah, that looks good. All right, so let's go on the other side and do the other one. All right, so we're on the other side to install the second mirror cover, or excuse me, camera cover. So again, we'll just take off the 3M tape. I've already done the cleaning of my mirrors already, so make sure you do those. And again, not mirrors, the cleaning of the cameras and turn signals. I've done it already. All right, so again, we're off, and then we just want to make sure we perfectly line it up before placing it down. And then make sure you're pressing up on where that 3M tape was to get it snug in there. And this looks good as well. It's perfect. And that's it. That was easy. And just like that, we've installed both of our accessories. So we were able to do the carbon fiber rear wing spoiler, and that took literally maybe like 2 or 3 minutes. The longest part was probably peeling off the 3M tape cover to get it exactly where I wanted on the back of the car. But other than that, it was super easy. So I really feel like anybody can honestly do this with minimal experience in installing anything. Save yourself a couple $100 from paying somebody to do this for you when literally you could do it in 2 minutes in your garage. Next, after that, we did the camera covers on the sides of the vehicles. Again, kind of the same concept, just covers really, and it's super easy, but it adds a lot of character to the vehicle. So I think both of these Amazon buys were definitely worth it. Super easy to install. This took, again, maybe in total less than 10 minutes to do everything, including the cleaning of the parts of the car that I put those on. So I definitely think you can do it yourself. If you didn't think you could before, hopefully this video encourages you that you can do it as well. I've got some other accessories that I've ordered for this car that I'm excited for, and I'll be doing future videos on that. So just make sure you tune in for the next one on my installation of Tesla Model Y accessories. Other than that, that will conclude this video. If you got any questions, make sure you drop them in the chat. If you like the content, make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Have a good one.